Question 26. A ball is dropped from a height of 50 metres. So I'm going to show this in a picture. So if this is 50 metres, a ball is dropped from there. After each bounce, the ball reaches 20% of the previous height. So if it's dropped, this is it being dropped, the ball reaches 20%, it comes back up 20% of its previous height, so the one before it. So if it comes down from the 50, it only comes up 20% of the previous height. We want to know how high it reaches after the second bounce. After the first bounce, it comes up 20%, so we need to know what 20% of 50 metres is. Well, 10% we need to divide by 10, so 50 divided by 10, either do place value or you should just know that, is 5, therefore 20% is going to be double that, so it'll be double that, so 20% is 10. So it only rises back up 10 metres, so that'll be where it gets to, and then it's going to drop again, and we want to know how high it rises for the second drop. So we need to find now the previous, so this is the previous height is now 10 metres, I now need to find 20% of the previous height, so this time 10, so 20% of 10. Same as before, 10% divided by 10 is 1, 20%, double it, is 2. So how high does it reach after the second bounce? So it's gone from 50 up to 10 metres, then down, and then up to 2. So the answer is 2 metres. So always draw yourself a picture for these kinds of questions and show as much working out as you can. The key to unlocking this was though knowing that the ball reaches 20% of the previous height. So it's not going to get as high, it's going to quite drastically start to lower, only comes back up by 20%.